Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security. Now let's tap on more settings and choose encryption and credentials. Here we've got set SIM1 lock, so let's enter and tap on change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK. And right now we can enter new one. So let's enter, tap on OK. Here we have to retype it and confirm. And actually we won't have any information that we successfully changed SIM pin, but trust me, we just did it. And if you will restart your device, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.